guys, what is up? Castle the Kid here, and we got King the Kid here, over here.
We are playing Roblox.
Yep, we're playing Roblox. First time we played Roblox, I think, ever on the channel. For a fact, I know. Sorry, I got the Xbox running in the background, but, so we're going to be playing Work at a Pizza Place. And then we're going to play with my brother, King the Kid, 2013. Yep, that's my brother, King. We got all the setup. We got a new setup. I'm playing on a gaming computer. I'm playing on my mobile account. I also can play. So I got it on my this account and then my phone account. You guys can't see, but I got my phone account over here, and then my well, I'm playing on my phone account, and then I got my computer account, and then yeah. So gotta do all the computer stuff. Requesting server. So Work at a Pizza Place. And so yeah, you're gonna just hear me and King talking. So yeah, I probably will mute my mic every once in a while. So King's coming up the stairs. Hey, King.
Castle.
What?
Did you see that dinosaur game? The
What?
dinosaur game on here?
I don't know. I think so. But
That's
we're
the
gonna.
game we're gonna play next.
Okay, if we have time. Okay, so I think this is gonna be our game for the video today. This
I'm in
is
a big boxer truck.
King's in a big box truck. I'm
Now I know how to evaporate it.
I'm playing on my different account. Okay, whoa. Okay. Okay, so
Get out.
I'm working with King.
You are?
Yep, I'm over here with King. Hey, person in, yeah.
That's me, Castle, in a big truck.
Yeah, all I can see right now is,
Castle, will you get the boxes in my truck, please?
got a quick load up King's.
Castle, are you the one who got all those boxes?
No. Okay, so we're
And I
loading
have
in.
to get more.
Xbox thing is going off. Okay.
Go get more, please. Any kind.
Okay, I have a new house, by the way, on my Roblox account. And by the way, my the Roblox account I'm using right now is currently JK 2008-55. Okay, so that's my account. So guys, if you play Roblox, go friend me. I don't know if I'm gonna accept it, but just go see and friend me as YouTubing. But yeah, and then we've got King's account, which is King the Kid 2013.
And come subscribe to my channel.
Well, he doesn't have a YouTube channel yet, but let's hope he does get one soon. If he does.
Because one is stuck up there.
Okay, well, I think you're about good. Oh, wait. I found there is a dump lever. Okay, so if you want... Okay, so me and King are working together right now. Sorry about the gray characters, but it should be loaded in soon. Okay, King, let's drive. Or, I'll drive.
I want to.
Okay, so we currently, guys, we are heading to work. We're
Castle,
getting...
will you dump this stuff for me, please?
Can I drive it real quick?
No.
Okay, so keep
I'm
on
the
going.
driver.
Okay. Yeah, King's gonna be the driver.
I just ran over a person.
Okay. Okay, well, it's been 4 minutes of video. Okay, keep on going this way. Let's go this way. Okay, we're gonna keep on. We're gonna go in, back up. I'm gonna quick get out. I think I pressed. Okay. Let me quick get in. Okay.
I'm out.
Bless you.
I'm right
Okay,
there.
so now King, hop out.
Okay. So
And
I'm
then,
right in here.
okay, get out of the truck completely.
Okay.
Press E. Okay. Okay, we're pushing stuff out. Turn on the machine. Pull it back. Okay, let's go.
Get back in.
I'm gonna drive it over
I
there.
want to.
I'm gonna
No, I want to.
drive it
No,
over
I'm
there.
not in.
Okay, quick, hop in,
I
King.
want to get my
Okay, wait, did we get a paycheck? Or, no. Okay, King, are you driving in a car?
Yeah, I'm getting my own.
You can get your big truck.
No, I want to get my own
Okay.
big truck.
Well, we're pulling into the mechanic's place right now. I'm getting some. I only have 74 coins, by the way, as you guys can see. I spent all my money on King. Say it. Say what I spent all my money on.
House.
Yep. King has enough money for a house. He has $1,400. My brother, King's been saving up a lot lately. So, King, get on this side. Do you got a big truck?
Yeah.
But, guys, I think this is not going to be the last episode of us. This is going to be like the first of our Roblox series. We're going to be playing a lot of Pizza Factory. This is actually my first gaming video in a while. Okay, and it's playing this music. I don't know if I'm allowed to play it. I don't know if my screen recorder will capture it. Okay, so I got that gone. Tutorials. King, are you getting a bunch of food things?
Yeah.
What is that? Okay, well, I'm going to have to get in the truck soon. Okay, we're good. We're all good, King. You're jamming up the machine. Okay, I got... Okay,
Can you get some of my truck, please?
you do it. I got to go take over the truck. Got to go take the load over. Okay, we just got $40 from our paycheck. Some more money. Oh, this person, okay. We got $256. Not bad.
Look how much I got, guys.
Yeah, oh no, what happened here? Oh, come on, double time's here. Okay, so we gotta work double time now, is what it means. Okay, well we gotta quick go. I gotta quick get all my load all this stuff up. Okay, so King's got a truck coming, I think. King, do you got your truck coming, or are you still filling? Okay, let me get out. Okay, so while you're driving, Q is to get out, E is to get in. Okay, so we just got some more stuff in there. I think I pulled the trigger. Okay, King, we're coming to pick up some more stuff. Okay, so we're getting a lot lately. There, okay, it wanted me to mess with the awards. What's that? Whatever. My house is a little bigger now. That's my house, I think, over there.
I'm not ready yet.
Oh no, I'm coming in. I'm just pulling in. Okay. Okay, so I'm now all ready. We are all ready. I'm now getting in. It's already been 10 minutes, so yeah, I think this last load right here is gonna have to be it because I'm on a tight schedule. But we will get you guys a another Roblox video within the next couple days. Okay, so we're gonna keep on doing this. Let's finish double time real quick. I already got $100. Okay. Okay, so we're filling up all this. Okay, so I gotta go for the job. King, hop in with my truck. Never mind. Okay, so get in. You get in a small car. Come on, open up garage. Okay, so guys, this is gonna have to be the last trip. So, yeah. Wait, there's a new manager job? Okay. So, guys, I'm going to go see if I can quick get the manager job real quick after we do this. And if I do... Okay, let's go. Okay. Okay, so, yeah. Who is the... Okay, well, there's a new manager already. So, guys, don't forget to... hold on. What happened to my truck? Here?
I'm driving there.
Okay, so, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and... Hold on, let me get out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and... Hold on, I gotta... Hold on. Well, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell. Bye.